Hey guys, what's up? You're watching iGyan, and today we're going to be checking out the JBL Quantum 400 over-the-ear gaming headset. So let's quickly get started. Now, if you enjoy watching videos from iGyan, a subscribe would be appreciated. So hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to become a part of Team iGyan. Now, JBL has finally launched their Quantum series of headphones in India. We're checking out the Quantum 400, all the way from Quantum 100 to the Quantum 1, which is the flagship, is finally on sale in India. Now, the Quantum 400, with an MRP of $10,999, is actually on sale for $7,999. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. So when you buy these headphones, you'll get a few things inside the box. Of course, you'll get the Quantum 400 headset itself. You'll get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A standard cable. This is a nice quality braided cable. And you also get a 3.5mm audio cable, which also is a really nice braided cable. You will also get a windshield foam for the boom microphone, and you get some documentation. The headphone itself is really nice to look at. It's got this really nice rugged design. It's got memory foam on the ear cups, and the ear cups themselves, however, are made of plastic, but they do have a really nice texture on them, especially where the JBL logo is. The other areas are gloss, and they kind of feel tacky and plasticky, but the paint finish and overall finish of the headphones is really premium. The headband is also made out of a rubberized sort of plastic, but it's a really nice quality headband. It has a lot of flex, as well as this logo on the top is also rubberized with an inlay, which also feels and gives this a really nice look. Now, the padding on the headphones is really adequate. The ear cups are made out of memory foam, and they have quite a lot of give, making these over-the-ear headphones comfortable for long periods of time. Now, in case you get confused which side is the right side, they've clearly marked this in massive R and L lettering inside the ear cup, so you're not going to confuse putting your headphones on in the wrong order. You can also see that there is a boom microphone. This extends down to enable the microphone. If you want to disable the microphone while in game, you can just flip it up and it automatically disables the microphone. You also have a few buttons. So apart from using the microphone flip up and down to mute the microphone, you also have a physical button to mute the microphone, so you can use that as well. You also have a standard volume dial, which allows you to increase or decrease the volume of the headphones. And then you also have something called a game and chat balance, which allows you to switch between chats and game audio. So if you're chatting with your friends on Discord while playing a game, you can switch the volume or the balance of the volume between those two things. So if you want more chat volume, you can switch towards the chat side. If you want more game volume, you can switch towards the game side. Now, for inputs, you have a USB Type-C input and a headphone standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall construction quality seems really nice. The headphones also fold in for a lay flat design. I would have liked to see a little more give in the flexibility of the headphones, but overall they fit on the ear really nicely. They're very comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They aren't very heavy and they don't put a lot of pressure on the head, so they seem like a comfortable player. Now, because of the memory foam ear cups, sound isolation with themselves is pretty good, but not too tight, so it doesn't feel like it's getting hot on the ear after some time. It's a really comfortable fit with these headphones. Now, these weigh in at a total of 274 grams, which is considerably heavy, but still fairly lightweight. So if you're gaming for long periods of time, you won't really feel the weight of these headphones. The JBL Quantum 400 do have 50mm dynamic drivers. These are really loud and extremely crisp. If you want really high levels of volume, you can easily get this with the headset. You also have a directional microphone, which has a minus 40 dBV of sensitivity and a 32 ohm of impedance. Now, connecting these headphones is fairly simple. If you're using them on a PC, an Xbox, or a PlayStation, you can use the included Type A to Type C cable to connect the headphones. They automatically pair up with whatever device you're working on, and on PC, you can also download JBL's Quantum software that allows you to not only control the equalization of the headphones, but also tune in on the RGB lights that are embedded inside the JBL logo. So you can also pick a favorite color, or you can have them scroll through different colors if that's something that you prefer. Now, as far as the sound signature is concerned, they have something called JBL's Quantum Surround that mimics a surround sound feeling. So especially if you have games that do have surround sound output, that'll automatically put this in the JBL Surround, and then they will automatically send the audio in a surround sound format. So if you're playing games with a good audio experience, you'll get that through the headphones as well. We also have DTS version 2.0, so your cinematic experiences through the gameplay will come out really nicely with the headphones or using the audio through the headphones. Now, whether you're using these as headphones or a gaming headset, the sound quality is absolutely impressive, and they fill up your ear with sound on both sides. Really nice sound quality from the headphones, good amounts of bass, a very well balanced mid-range, and a really finely tuned high end on these headphones. Surprisingly, for the price of $7,999, they do tend to be a premium pair of headphones, but they do offer up that level of quality as well. Another interesting thing is that you can also directly plug these in with a 3.5mm cable that is provided with the headphones. So if you want to have gameplay on your smartphone that does have a 3.5mm headphone jack or can work with a 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, you can connect these and use them as a headset. Another interesting thing is that if your phone has a USB Type-C output, all you need is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and then your headphones will also light up as they would when you program them on the PC. So you still get your RGB effects and you still get your audio and your microphone input through the USB-C cable. That also eliminates the need for an adapter. This works really well, and the audio also improves a little bit through the USB-C port versus the analog port. So you're getting better audio, you're getting lower latency, and you're also getting RGB lighting, which is an added bonus as well. Now, there are lots of options already available in the gaming headset space from established brands like Corsair and SteelSeries. So the JBL Quantum headphones sort of fit into this already very competitive market, but they offer up a really nice package, and you can definitely look at these if you're in the market for a pair of gaming headphones. I like the versatility that you can quickly switch from a PC to a smartphone, especially considering that there is an uptake on the consumption of content on smartphones as well as gaming on smartphones with what's going on in the world today. Like I mentioned, guys, if you want to check these headphones out, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and become a part of Team iGyan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.